Big Brother Naija housemates with their celebrity backups. My friends, welcome back to my channel. Una dey new, una welcome. Una dey old, una super duper welcome. Alright, make una check below. Una see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to green the notification sing bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so my correct people then, so today news where I bring for una and say most of the big man don't say all, most of the Big Brother Naija contestants them they don't get celebrity backup. Yeah, so this kind of thing they happen for most of the season, almost all the season self, like then they always get backup from celebrities. So this one go fit can be an exception. So my correct people them for inside this video I won't tell una most of the celebrities where they don't choose one or two housemates and this one now go put our stamp for them. So my correct people them know be small, Funke Akindele don't choose her own she don't choose her own favorite housemate and she no keep calm. She bring them to the public, made them know say now this one now her stamp there on top. That housemate is no other person than Liquor Rose. So my correct people them, as soon as all know say Liquor Rose now dancer, not be just anyhow dancer, professional dancer. Maybe say even before she go into the Big Brother Naija house, she had over 700,000 followers. OMG, and now her followers are just heading to 1 million, because the last time I checked I think it was 900 and something. I'll go check now again, put on for screen. If you never reach 1 million, then be that. Alright, so my correct people then, so Funke Akindele say tell us on bad pass say now for Liquor Rose matter then she put her stamp this season, say because she done the enjoymentation her dance even before she went into the Big Brother Naija house. So she don't send her blessing to Liquor Rose, and I'm sure say no be only blessing she go send, she go also they vote for her and also they campaign for her. Alright, so my correct people then make I read what she write according to the horse's mouth. Say I love her at Liquor Rose. Wow. For person to say I love, that's a very strong statement. I am a huge fan of all her dance videos. Can't wait to see you shine, darling. Oh, this is so super nice. So super nice. Liquor Rose is a very hardworking girl. I don't say woman. She's a very hardworking girl, because for her to get that kind followers for Instagram, no be beans no be beans now years of hard work. Well, no be say some others will not get up to that number of followers for Instagram. They know they hardworking. They're also hardworking in their various ways. Alright, so my correct people them, another person whether they call and say Angel will be now come out and talk about her mental health. Say when her former boyfriend when she been there 14, you be not sorry John Thomas that time. When she been there 14, now her boyfriend, so instead the thing affected her, it go affect her now. That kind tender age, never even reach adulthood self. You don't chop waiting past you. So when the emotions come, you know if you handle them, because you will never reach, But yeah, she say she faced a lot. Totally, she even can't even harm herself. And another that first love the shark now, like Ogogoro. The shark like Ogogoro. So it's such a pity, such a pity. Those kind of things, if you affect person emotionally, or person when you and they together, before you know the person gone by, you can't look like, so wetin this life be? What are they even struggle for? I go suffer, go school, do this, do that. Tomorrow I die. No be waste with that. No be juju be that. No be scam be that. Nothing where you know go think. So my friend people then at that age, seeing her boyfriend, passed on like that, it go make her go like, why I dey stress myself? Because she said she enters school. She goes school there for just 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. She leaves school. Say her mates they go don't graduate by now. That she feels say her mate they ahead of her, and then she never still get direction of her life, where she dey go, what she want do. So I should just see this Big Brother audition, and she wants to say, nah, opportunity for her, to come out, come do audition, enter the show. So my great people them, can't feel like say I pray make this big brother be good choice for her, because they can't dragging where they go on. If you don't get mind, if you come out and see a man, the thing will even make you, even if you don't even get any of those depression thing wahala, if you even push you into depression thing. So that just the level with that. I just hope say, you know, she go fit stand am, because for all the big brother wey don't come go, I know she say you get housemates where they know they troll. We shit too now, we don't they keep me outside, so already her Bobby done the trend. They say na wall of Jericho na fall. Some people say na London Bridge is falling down. Some people say why did they throw her? So some celebrities don't come fighty, you know, for her head and all. But me and the talk say sometimes na people they cause problem for themselves. Why, you know, many Brazil na all this push up, package yourself well. How about package yourself? Wetin dey talk? Package, arrange am well. Arrange am well. Even we know they keep cleavage, we still they arrange well, arrange am well, because at all na bad pass. Even if na person wey don born, we can't throw away Bobby like that, people go say insult am. Forgetting that pikin don suck am, they go say insult am. Then talk more of you wey never born, you can't throw away like that. They go say trailer don jam you tire. That trailer means say na men. So na just the level with that. Sometimes na we women they cause problem for ourselves. Okay, apart from wearing push-up, you get some gowns there we be say naturally they get, you know, they swam in a way where go jack your body. Why not you wear those kind of gown? Or sometimes maybe na tailor, you don't tell and say, so me gown we be say I go wear without brow. The tailor go say, no worry, no worry. Go sew for you. Or maybe when she wear them immediately that time, the thing hold. As she can't dey waka, it can't dey drop. It happens. It happens. When I been dey do my marriage, I tell them say they sew me myself I dey sew, but that period I was so busy I couldn't sew. So one of my friends gonna tell me say, just know a mistake you dey do so. For try sew your thing by yourself. I say I no go get time, but I get good tailor who go sew this thing for me. So I can't give the lady. She charged me very high, yo. Because I tell her say I want to do her for marriage. At the end of the day, waiting she saw, I don't understand. God help me, sir. I wear Brazil. God help me. The clothes are not supposed to wear Brazil with them, but the signal where the clothes start to give me, I wear. Upon that, that's also Jackie. I they jack that day. They jack that day. They jack that day. Because of that, sir, I no go sew again. I go calm down anytime I get chance. I sit down for machine, sew my clothes by myself. So my friend people come they throw her. Personally, I feel say that she invites the trolling to herself. Now she invite her, or maybe she dey feel say her body stand though. I don't just know. But how she go dey feel like that? Well, make I call celebrities who come fight for her. Alright, so Nkechi Blessing now come right say women with saggy bobby doesn't mean they are old. Very young women can have it too. Doesn't mean they have had too much sex. Doesn't mean they have given birth. Stop body shaming people for their body type. So maybe that kind of shape of Bobby day, because this one there exactly the way her own day. Then she can't post this right up. So Nkechi Blessing gonna say show man can say, I understand if a man shames a woman for having fallen Bobby, but auntie, even you, come on, we can really do better than making a woman feel less of herself. Unlike some other people that can't stand trolling and insult, they tend to fall into depression and harm themselves. So, but you see me, if them born your father well, come and abuse me on my page, I will send you back home. We need to be the change we seek by spreading more love than hate, love and light. So not true. Women, now we be our own devil. Now we be our own demons. Women. Now we now we. So Mary Njoku can say shook my boot, can say if the size of a man's John Thomas is available as the shape and size of a woman's Bobby, the world would be a better place. Stop body shaming women. Bros, you don't do now. Bobby don't fall. So your mama will never fall. all Bobby go fall last. Make we hear what I beg. Talk. All breast go fall last. Unless say if see one thing I don't discover with woman ba, as we dey age, even if you no born, you get time wey go reach, Bobby go still fall. I don't notice am. I don't see some women wey be say they no born. You get how time can't reach their Bobby can still fall. You no can stand like the way they stand before again when they be dey youngy. So now the level be that last all Bobby go fall. So that one no even supposed be any issue. But I beg, make we women too they try to package ourselves well. We try to package ourselves well. Ha! Now wow, not only I never carry this girl Bobby do. What I ordered versus what I got. This one, that one. Hey yeah, they carry the round bread Bobby keep. Say what I ordered. Then they can't carry her own keep versus what I got. Ah. Yeah, not to pity her because she caused her. And in fact, I never pity her at all. Because she wear clothes will cover her, package herself well, look for con insult her. I beg you. On top this very body shaming mattress, not only what actors they call and say Lizzy Gold don't come out, come provocation talk. Say why people they like to the body shame people like this. They see picture where she post. 9 person come they tell and say this young yash small, you don't know where they do plastic soccer jury. Ha! And so she blast the person. I said tomorrow no day. Alright, so Mo, watch the video.
Like, how will someone post a picture on her page and you go to the person's page and troll small ass? You need to go and do yansh, go and all that. Who does that? Sorry to say, but you lack proper good home training. Because I have brothers. I can't imagine my brothers going to people's pages to write nonsense.
Alright, so my correct people, they might follow read the right of owner. She can't write say, what is going on? 70% of our youth are becoming stupid in their reasoning. How do you troll people better than you? You lack good home training. You get blocked if you come close to my page. Frustrated fools who have nothing good going on in their lives. The reason why some are still poor is because you troll people better than you. That is life. If you cause someone better than you, you will never grow. Alright, so my correct people them. Now just the love will be that so trolling. People might go say they won't go do nyash na problem. They do nyash, they say, why would I not feel they real? Why would I still like fake? Hey yeah. Now wow. Who will take her easy? Alright, my correct people them. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna continue to stay beautiful. Now bye.